Hi, in this video we are going to see the mega recruitment. That means the huge vacancies are there from the multiple departments as well as the multiple colleges. So I'm going to show you the recruitment vacancies notifications from the 6 different types of colleges. So I think it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are having the only post graduation or UG Senate or PhD or the B.Ed. So for all these different candidates here the opportunities are there, but because here the lecturer as well as the assistant professor vacancies are mentioned in these vacancies. And I'm requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of faculty job notifications in this pandemic situation, so it will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the different recruitment notifications. And if your subject is not covered here, then please don't worry. Mention your subject in the comment section. Based upon that one, I will come up in the next video. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UG Senate exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UG Senate JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Coming to the present content of the video, so out of the 6 different colleges, here we are going to see the first one, that is Office of the Principal, Emarti Devi Women's College from Cuttack. And here the walk-in interview is there for the data entry operator as well as the lecturer in sociology on a contractual basis, and the walk-in interview is going to be held on 20th as well as the 30th July. Anyhow, 20th July is done. Okay, I'm a bit late. So 30th July, that means tomorrow there is a walk-in interview for both these two posts. So the candidates whoever nearer to this place, then you may go for the walk-in interview in the college premises. And coming to the qualification for lecturer, 55% in post-graduation is enough. No need of the UG Senate qualification and all these things. Actually, I got so many comments to give the vacancies regarding the sociology. So it might be helpful. Please check guys. And the data entry operator PGDCA with experience, so appear with all your original documents. Fine. And next one is the Shatabdi Institute of Technology from Nasik. And here the mobile numbers are also provided, 9021642154, as well as the mail ID is also there. And there is a walk-in interview for the lecturer post, electrical or civil or mechanical or computer or electronics and telecommunication. So from each and every department, two vacancies are there. Fine. And here the English as well as the clerk is also there. And coming to the lecturer post, BE or BTech or the MTech, and coming to the English in MA in English, and coming to the clerk, any graduate, Marathi and English typing as well as the computer knowledge must be there. And the interested and eligible candidates are required to attend the interview at college campus from 11 a.m. onwards on 3rd August 2021 with application and attested documents, biodata, and the 2 passport size photograph. Okay, and you have to follow the necessary precautions as directed by the government regarding the COVID-19. Fine. And coming to the next one is walk-in interview from Cuttack itself. Okay, it is a Gopabandhu Women's Higher Secondary School. So the interested candidates with all their testimonials may attend the interview for the post of lecturer in political science on contractual basis at the 2nd August 2021 at morning 10:30 in the college office, and preferences will be given on the basis of the experience. Fine. So if you're having the post graduation in the political science, then you may apply for this one guys, and anyhow it is a walk-in interview, so you may go directly for the walk-in interview on 2nd August 2021. And next one is Om Polytechnic from Umrar, okay, Nagpur, and the appointment is there for the HOD or the lecturer in the departments of computer, electrical, mechanical, mining, physics, chemistry, mathematics, as well as the English. And the qualification is also mentioned, post-graduation or else undergraduation, MSc or MA, and accountant or clerk is also required, and the admin staff, any graduate with experience is enough. And send your resume within 7 days to the given mail ID, that is om.polytechnic@rediffmail.com. And here the mobile number is also given here, so you first contact this mobile number, that is 8390923939. Okay, and then get the details. Okay, based upon that one, try to apply for this one guys. Okay, that means application means you have to send your resume to the provided mail ID. That's it. Fine. And coming to the next one is, it is University College of Science from Udaipur. So from this one, there is a requirement of guest faculty, guys, and this notification came on 27th July 2021. That means the latest notification. And applications are invited in the prescribed format for engagement as a guest faculty from the retired university or college teacher or teachers of other institutions or persons having the NET, SLET or PhD as per the UGC rules in the subject of botany, chemistry, physics, zoology, mathematics, statistics, environmental sciences, geology, polymer science, biotechnology, microbiology, computer science. Okay, for BSc, BCA, MCA, MSc or the IT. And regarding the microbiology as well as the biotechnology, I got, as well as the environmental sciences also, I got few comments to find out the jobs based upon this one. Okay, so here the whoever the candidates UGC NET qualified or the SLET qualified candidates are there, you may apply for this one. And the remuneration will be 500 rupees per lecture, with maximum limit of 25,000 rupees per month will be available. And all the terms and conditions will be as per the MLSU or the state government rules from time to time. And whoever the interested candidates are there, you may get the, you can download the prescribed application form from the official website or maybe obtained from the office. Okay, and application fee is 200 rupees for general as well as 100 rupees for the SC, ST, OBC. With all necessary documents must reach to the office of the undersigned on or before August 11, 2021. Fine. And the final recruitment notification is, it is Bund Sangha RNS Vidya Niketan 2. So it is from Bangalore, guys. It is a 10+2 college. +2 college, that is called, in Karnataka 10+2 is called as a PUC, that is pre-university college. And here the lecturer vacancies are there in the Department of Physics, Maths, Chemistry, Biology and Electronics. And the faculty has to handle the CET, JEE and the NEET coaching. And coming to the commerce, economics, computer science, statistics and accountancy required. And coming to the minimum qualifications, postgraduate with B.Ed with a minimum 5 years of experience in a reputed PU college and remuneration at par with the institutional standard. Okay, and you have to send your resume within 10 days with a passport size photo to the Bund Sangha RNS Vidya Niketan number 324, okay, Cord Road, Vijayanagar, Bangalore 560040. And here the email ID is also provided, info@bsrnsy.com. And please note down the contact number 080-233-98922. Okay, 080-233-98922. So if you're having any queries regarding this one, then you may contact to that number, guys. Fine. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so total 6 different types of colleges are there, and out of this one it is a state university. So I think it will be the wonderful opportunity. So please utilize this one, guys. And I'm requesting you to please don't forget to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon, and also share, guys. Share the videos to the needy ones. It will be very much helpful to the candidates who are looking for the faculty job notifications, guys. Right? So please share these videos. Okay. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the national eligibility test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.